Now, Wave 31 Storm Tracker Chief Meteorologist Taylor Knust with 31 Triple Doppler.
We know you're keeping a close eye on what we can expect during the overnight hours.
Yeah, hopefully not as rowdy as last night.
So hope for that.
Yeah, that's a bare minimum of our goal here. But yeah, we could have some showers, maybe a few thunderstorms in the mix. Likely not going to see severe weather. There's just a slim chance of that, but more rain possible, and that's kind of how our August has started. A lot of wet weather out there.
That's what we do.
Yeah, you just got to deal with it, and that's what we're going to be dealing with again tonight. 31 Triple Doppler showing those scattered showers. No storms in North Alabama for the time being, but we could see those develop later on tonight, especially after midnight. Let's take a closer look here at a few spots. Madison and Limestone County passing hit and miss showers, especially near and north of Highway 72, so near Athens and the north side of Huntsville, stretching up near Hazel Green, dealing with some of those, and those are beginning to trickle into western parts of Jackson County at the moment. Various parts of Lawrence County, back toward Lauderdale and Colbert counties, a handful of showers have developed there this evening, and we do have additional showers and storms that are moving through northern Mississippi at this hour. Not too many storms at this moment, but again, there is the possibility of some of those redeveloping as we see those trickle into North Alabama later on tonight. Again, the threat is low, but there is at least that slim chance that one or two storms become strong and gives us at least some brief strong wind gusts and briefly some larger hail. The heavier rain is going to be our main concern. Our ground is saturated from the recent rainfall, so any heavy downpours that drops maybe a quick inch of rain could cause at least some brief flooding issues somewhere in North Alabama overnight tonight. So that's our main concern overnight and early in the day on Friday. Here's future radar, and we'll go hour by hour here. Next couple of hours, we're going to see the showers linger near the Alabama-Tennessee state line and actually drift a little north into Tennessee, but a redevelopment of showers and perhaps a few storms should get going near I-65 around 2 or 3 o'clock early Friday morning, and then much of that drifts into the eastern half of our area once we get closer to sunrise on Friday. It looks like right around this time may be the peak intensity time frame for a few of those thunderstorms, so that's the time to watch out for, again, some of those heavy rainmakers early on Friday. By 8 o'clock, once school gets started, we're looking at lingering showers here and there. The kids may want the rain gear early in the day Friday, but we won't need it for long. By 9 or 10 o'clock, most if not all of that rain should be out of here. We are looking at a primarily dry afternoon and evening. The exception may be our far southwest counties might get some storms to redevelop briefly around dinner time, but the wide majority of us are looking at a dry second half of the day on Friday. Rainfall totals are not going to be too impressive for most of us, likely a quarter inch or less, but there could be those isolated pockets where upwards of an inch of rain does develop overnight tonight. Looking ahead to Friday, once the skies clear out, we're going to warm up quickly with a high near 90 degrees. That heat index could climb as high as 100 on Friday. Gets even hotter after that. 91 on Saturday, 92 Sunday. 94 on Monday. Each of those afternoons, as long as you stay dry and cloud-free, the heat index could climb up to as high as 105 during that stretch. Now, the latest modeling does continue to show a chance at some midday showers and storms briefly on Saturday. If that happens, that may prevent us from getting quite as hot as feared. A similar scenario, again, is possible on Sunday. So we're just going to be watching out for that brief possibility of a handful of showers and storms this weekend. The severe threat will remain low throughout the weekend and into early next week. There is going to be a cold front that is set to move through Monday night, early next week. Behind that front, drier air, much more comfortable air moves our way, and that's going to be something that we'll really enjoy after the both hot and stormy stretch we have had in recent weeks. We're looking at highs in the upper 80s, lows in the mid 60s, and likely dry conditions by the middle of next week. Between now and then, we have several days with forecast highs in the low to mid 90s. We'll be right back.